come around to say hello. One-on-one, I'm so fly. You took a nosedive. Careful when you play on my level. For you, it's so. Hey, hello.
Motorola Razr 50 Ultra. Flip the script.
Hello, Moto.
Anand Ranganathan raised this point that 75% of the candidates in the Aam Aadmi Party are those who have come from other parties. But Anand Ranganathan, the question here is when calls like these, and yes, every pollster puts his all. Some get it right, some get it wrong, many may go wrong. You know, that's the law of averages. We've given you the array of, all the polls that have come out. Some of them have a good track record, like Access My India has a good track record. So we're taking their numbers and analyzing. I want to ask you, Anand Ranganathan, when most of these polls are giving a direction that is in favor of the BJP, to say that this is a comedy show, everybody is always wrong, can be one part of the thing. But on the other, to say 17 or 16 MLAs are on the line, have been called, will be purchased, the moolah is out there. Does anybody put the moolah on the table without knowing whether the person deserves it or not, or whether the investment will be worth it or not?
Good evening, Navika. Jhadu kisi ka tha, laga koi gaya. Judging by what the direction of the exit polls is. But I could not hear initially some of the things that were said, but if my good friend Anmolji was talking and he said that this is a circus and Tehseen is a clown, I think he should refrain from making such statement. Tehseen is a very dear friend, and to say that this is a circus going on, there's a clown and all that is wrong. Please,
no, he just
Anmolji,
called this a comedy show.
No, bro, first of all.
Okay, comedy show. Sorry, I don't know. So
even show in which you were the lead. So I think you should speak about yourself, my friend. He was calling it a competition which you were the lead.
Anand Ranganathan, protest coming from Tehseen.
No, he's the brother, Anand the brother. But we both agree, जादू लग गया.
Brother को तो तुमने दुश्मन बनाया हुआ है दिल्ली में. Kejriwal was your Rahul Gandhi's brother. Now you're making Anand Ranganathan your brother. तुम्हारे brotherhood में किसी का विश्वास नहीं है. Anand, go on.
No, but दो चीजें मैं कहना चाहता हूँ. I've been waiting very patiently for this. अभी तो मेरे अच्छे भाई जो विवेक की भी टर्न नहीं आई है, वो भी अपना बोलेंगे नोटा से कम क्यों आ रहे हैं उनके. बट मैं ये अनमोल जी को दिखाना चाहता हूँ. ये देखिए, ये 2 साल पहले का केस था. ये एनडी शर्मा जानते होंगे, शायद अनमोल जी मिले भी होंगे, इनके बहुत अच्छे मित्र थे. आप सिटिंग बदरपुर एमएलए थे. क्या कह रहे हैं ये, जरा सुन लीजिए. केजरीवाल सोल्ड टिकट्स फॉर 20 करोड़. तो जो टिकट बेचता है वो एक्यूज कर रहा है कि कोई और खरीद रहा है. अनमोल जी इतना मत बोलिए, इतना डरिए मत. देखते हैं क्या होता है. 8 को हो सकता है सारे एग्जिट पोल्स रॉन्ग हो, लेकिन अनमोल जी आई हैवंट फिनिश्ड, आई वेटेड फॉर हाफ एन आवर. प्लीज, मैंने आपका एकदम ध्यान से सुना. आप मुझे 30 सेकंड सुन लीजिए. अनमोल जी प्लीज, देयर इज एन एको आल्सो, मुझे ज्यादा सुनाई भी नहीं दे रहा. प्लीज
अनमोल, प्लीज, आई विल गिव यू एब्सोल्यूट टाइम टू काउंटर दिस. डोंट वरी. आनंद, कंप्लीट योर पॉइंट.
थैंक यू. एक कनंड्रम प्लीज आप मुझे सॉल्व करके दीजिए. दिस लुक्स लाइक बाय ऑल मीन्स अ स्वीप गोइंग बाय चाणक्य एंड एग्जिट पोल. नाउ व्हेन दैट हैपेंस, द वोटिंग परसेंटेज इज वेरी हाई, बट this election remains the lowest voting percentage in the last 12 years. In fact, in some areas, in Delhi Cant, it is as low as 44%. And in some areas, it is as high as 75%. Overall, it is 62%, which is the lowest. So this conundrum has to be solved. If this is going to be a massive anti-incumbency and vote against AAP, how is it that the voting percentage has been the lowest in 12 years?
Good question. 2 hands going up to answer that one. But before that, right to rebut to Anmol. Anmol, please.
Navika ji, first of all, let me make it clear. I did not call Tehseen bhai a clown. वो तो हमारे बहुत अजीज हैं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. Secondly, these fabricated surveys, they are being used to create a false narrative and lure our candidates. Every time we brought this in a public domain, the BJP or the news agencies used to ask us, where's the evidence, where's the evidence? Here's the evidence. I am giving you the phone number of the leader from the Bharatiya Janata Party who has called our MLA Mukesh Ahlawat.
Mukesh Ahlawat, who's the leader? Who's the leader you're naming?
Just given the full
it's sensational
details.
if you're saying that a BJP leader has called. I will give
we have
Please recognize the number, Pradeep ji. Number.
We have provided the number, and if the BJP is winning the elections, then why do they need to poach our candidates? अगर ये जीत रहे हैं तो क्या क्यों खरीदना चाहते हो?
No. You tell the number.
लो
No, I challenge you. You have in the past also apologized to a lot of leaders in information cases. You have to apologize again. Tell the number.
जूम करिए,
नंबर बताइए.
साफ दिखना चाहिए.
Okay, we are
नंबर साफ दिखना
recording the
चाहिए.
number.
Record करिए.
All
हाँ,
right.
पढ़ो,
All
लिखिए.
right. Pradeep
लिखिए
Bhandari.
number.
He is giving a number. Please respond.
Well, first of all, nobody in this country
नंबर
takes
लिखिए.
अरविंद केजरीवाल seriously. जो व्यक्ति अपने
कॉल
बच्चों
कर
के सर
सकता
की
है,
झूठी
live
कसम खा सकता
अभी
है,
कॉल
वो भी कर
करो.
सकता है. I'll prove it.
इस नंबर
Anmol, listen
पे-
to me. Navika ji, I was
इस
listening to
नंबर पे अभी
it.
कॉल करो ना.
अरे हाँ, तो नंबर
अभी
भेज
करो
दीजिए.
कॉल.
टाइम्स
आप
नाउ का
कॉल
नंबर
करो
भेज
इस
दीजिए,
नंबर पे.
इसी वक्त चीज हो जाएगा कॉल. मैं ओपनली चैलेंज कर रहे हैं, आपको बताऊंगा.
तो
कैसे
कॉल
बोलते
करो
हैं.
ना.
अगस्त 25, 2022 को और कोई इलेक्शन नहीं था. अरविंद केजरीवाल ने
करो,
बोला
करो.
40 MLAs are targeted by the Bharatiya Janata Party with offer
Did you ever wake up, करो ना.
52 seats. He still could not even name a single MLA. Arvind Kejriwal is a man who lied on his own children. कि बच्चों की सर की जो व्यक्ति झूठी कसम खाए वो कुछ भी हद तक कर सकते हैं. Anmol, I challenge you. You will face a defamation suit. You will have to apologize. Tell the number. Give it to the Times Now. आप Times Now को दो. This is heights of falsehood.
All right. I'm clicking a screenshot. Please send the number to Pradeep Bhandari. I'm telling them that. But the question raised by Anand Ranganath, sensational claim being made here. I don't know. The channel takes no liability for any defamation case that happens. But Anmol Pawar of the Aam Aadmi Party is alleging that there is a number of a BJP leader from which Mr. Ehlawat of the Aam Aadmi Party has got a call.
Above all, why will we call Mr. Ehlawat? The guy has margin also decreased in 2020 by 16,000 votes. Margin भी इनकी नहीं बढ़ी है, जीत भी नहीं रहे. कोई कौन करेगा इनको कॉल करके? यार कोई ढंग का नाम तो बताओ.
Okay, all right. I don't know ढंग का नाम क्या है पर
कॉल कर देंगे.
हाँ, कॉल करके दो नंबर.
अभी
okay,
स्पीकर पे फोन लगाएंगे.
not on my channel. You can make
No,
the
हम
call
करेंगे ना.
because I don't want to be part of this defamation suit. It's between the Aam Aadmi Party and the BJP. But JVC.
Will AAP members come on Saturday? 43 seats. Because let's understand one thing. 43 seats. The people of Delhi gave up 50% both in 2015 and 2020. And out of these 43 seats, 20 seats confirmed they are losing. Confirmed. I can give it in writing. The 20 seats I can name also.
Wait, the name.
I can give you the names. I've got the names here. I've got the name here. Right here. Narela, they're losing. Timarpur, they're losing. Ritala, they're losing. Munka, they're losing. Srinagar, they're losing. Wasitpur, they're losing. Model Town, they're losing. Sadar Bazaar, they're losing. Then Karol Bagh, they're losing. Motinagar, they're losing. Madipur, they're losing. Rajouri Garden, they're losing. Janakpuri, they're losing. Vikaspuri, they're losing.
Okay.
Uttar Nagar, Dwaraka, Mitala, Palam, Rajendra Nagar, New Delhi, RK Puram.
All right, on the question of let me put out all the numbers. I spoke with Pradeep Gupta of Access My India just an hour ago, and we broke the Access My India poll numbers here on this channel. And when I spoke to him, I asked him some very, very direct questions. Let me play those out for you. Question number one that I asked him is what sense did you get on the ground and why are the numbers so overwhelmingly in favor of the BJP? Let's listen into what Pradeep Gupta, who had his teams on the ground, what did he have to say?
I'll classify negatives and positives in that sense. Now coming to Aam Aadmi Party's positive, why a woman has voted even 44% is significant in comparison to 46%, and that too when you compare among the male members. The bill of reduced bill or zero bill of Bijli Pani to the limited number of units. Second, स्वास्थ्य एंड शिक्षा दोनों के ऊपर लोगों को सुविधाएं भी और पैसे भी कम लगे और सुविधाएं भी अच्छी मिली. मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट बस राइड फॉर द वुमेन, फ्री बस राइड फॉर द वुमेन. वो एक फ्री की टिकट भी देते थे उनको कि जी आपको फ्री में टिकट दिया गया. नॉट ओनली कि आप आ जाइए चले जाइए, फ्री टिकट भी देते हैं. All these things were positive in favor of Aam Aadmi Party. But in last 5 years, these are the facilities for last more than 5 years, 5 to 10 years. But what is negative for Aam Aadmi Party? They have changed their positioning. See, in any brand equity, the positioning is a very important factor when it comes to the credibility. People buy the product based on their credibility and the positioning of the brand, what kind of offering they have. So Arvind Kejriwal has projected his image and the party image as a imandar, honest, clean governance. And the image has been dented largely in the past 5 years. Also, over and above that, the kind of positioning they have projected in the beginning, the first 5 years, that हम छोटी कार में चलेंगे, सरकारी कोई सुविधाएं नहीं लेंगे, और उसके हिसाब से जो उन्होंने, अब मैं उसको शीश महल नहीं कहता, पार्टी वाले कहते हैं, लेकिन हाँ एक
वो शीश महल नाम टाइम्स नेटवर्क ने दिया था, हमारी स्टोरी थी, आप ना कहें, पर उसका क्या इंपैक्ट कुछ लगा आपको ग्राउंड पर, प्रदीप जी?
मैं ये कह सकता हूं कि वो खास आदमी का मकान उन्होंने बनवाया, जो चीफ मिनिस्टर हाउस बनवाया, मैं खास कह सकता हूं, इतना तो क्लियर है।
ये ग्राउंड पर दिखा आपको, ये ग्राउंड पर दिखा आपको। आनंद रंगनाथन, you wanted to come in, आनंद। प्रदीप is saying that on the ground आम आदमी का टैग हट गया, खास आदमी का दिख रहा था, ये प्रदीप जी मानते हैं ग्राउंड पर दिख रहा है?
नहीं, जैसा मैंने कहा कि अरविंद केजरीवाल और आपकी डिफीट का बहुत ज्यादा श्रेय नाविका जी आपको जाता है, वो अलग बात है।
आप क्यों मुझे मुसीबत में डाल रहे हैं भाई?
नहीं।
प्रदीप गुप्ता जी का आकलन है, इट इज हिज प्रोजेक्शन, व्हाई आर यू पुटिंग मी इन अ टाइट स्पॉट?
नहीं, दो जेल सेल होंगे, वो भी आपके साथ ही जाएंगे, लुधियाना जेल में साथ ही, डोंट वरी।
थैंक यू। इफ आई हैव फ्रेंड्स लाइक यू, आई रियली डोंट नीड मेनी एनिमीज।
No, but Navika, one thing I want to say. Number one, please, I would beg somebody to answer that question. Why in a sweep poll you have such the lowest voting percentage? Number one. Number two, I want to thank you because this kind of doxing of a private phone number by the Aam Aadmi spokesperson is unacceptable. Millions of viewers have seen it, and I just hope and pray that please stay out of this, Navika. You're already into trouble. Nobody should start ringing that phone.
Well, it's been put on Twitter as well. So really, it's between the BJP and the Aam Aadmi Party. The channel takes absolutely, no responsibility for what politicians do.